Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. To enroll in my course on MSA or Measurement System Analysis, which is also focused on supplier quality management and IR 4.0 at Udemy, an affordable course provider. This course is for quality engineers or supplier quality engineers, where you will learn to plan and conduct GR&R for both variable and attributes data, how to analyze GR&R results, and how to improve the measurement process to achieve the GR&R requirements, to conduct a supplier's audit in the area of measurement system analysis, and to set up GR&R in an Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing environment. There will be 5 templates provided and an Excel format of calculation template where you do not have to go through the confusion of calculating GR&R, and you can just plug in the data and the Excel format will calculate for you. It also comes with an audit checklist for you to use for supplier quality audit in MSA.